And we ain't making up, I don't need a mediator. Just let them pumps blow steam. Radiator.
That was an earthquake, bitch.
Shitted on them.
You felt the ground shake,
Man,
right?
I just shitted on them.
Your bitches ain't fucking with.
Good morning. Morning. She sounds Jamaican. Second day of school. We're just getting in the house from dropping Destiny and Jackson. I still have to do the video where I told you guys what the decision was. Morning. Morning. Say good morning. Morning. All right, sit down. Sit down. Go make your breakfast. You don't want breakfast? You don't want breakfast? No, what you want? What you want? What you want? This is what I can't do. Every time the kids go back to school or start school, she does this. Where she whine all day. She's 2. She doesn't know how to say, I'm sad that my siblings are not with me. So she whines. 3. That is 3. So we're gonna have to clean the house per the husband. Because we got into a fight yesterday. It was like, because I spot clean. I don't deep clean like that. I mean, I do, but only when I'm getting ready to change over for a season to decorate, like fall, summer, winter, Christmas, you know, stuff like that. But during the day, during a regular day, I just spot clean. So I have to clean, and then I have a little guy coming over today to spend the afternoon with us. So yeah, so I have to get ready for him. What do you want? Use your words. Use your words. Use your words. So, what's the matter? What's the matter? All right then, stop. What do you want? Tell them what you want. So I have to make an appointment for Maddie today for her to be seen for. Stop, you weirdo! Look at this. Stop! I have to make an appointment for her. She's weird. I have to make an appointment for her for speech because she's trying, but she clearly needs help. Stop. And stop. The only child that struggled with speech is my autistic son, Jordan. And he was delayed. He was severely delayed as a baby. He never walked until he was almost 2 years old. He never crawled. What else? He never talked. He just points. And he was an escape boy. Like, you have to make sure that you know where Jordan was at all times. Like, yeah. So with her, she walked early. She was developing. She was hitting all her milestones, like, on point. Like, she walked at 8 months. You know, she was doing it. And I thought, you know, she was developing properly. But now I realize that she's slowly regressing. Is it regressing? She's slowly going backwards. What's the matter? Even with potty training, she started great and then she started going back. So she does that a lot, where she does something correctly the way she's supposed to, and then she goes backwards, which makes no sense to me. I don't understand what that is. So I'm gonna have her tested as well to see what's going on with the little one. I can get her some help. You want some help? You want help? You want help? You don't want no help? May I go get your help, do it. Say bye, guys. Bye. See you later. May I go clean up the O's? See the mess? Maddie. Oh, Maddie. So I have to clean up. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I have to clean the bathroom. The kitchen is not bad. So let's get cleaning. So it's like 12 o'clock now and I'm just sitting here doing crafts. I'm thinking of trying to sell some vintage books on Mercari. You know, I'm always just stuff just flowing in my head. So I invested in some wood stamp and some stamp, and I picked this guy up yesterday. It says, "I love you more. I love you more than coffee," which says a lot, right? So I picked that up yesterday. It was $2.49, $2.50, originally $10 for it. So I'm just gonna slowly add to my collection. It looks like this, and I got the wood stamps. I'm gonna turn it around and show you guys what I got. Okay, so these are the stamps I got. I just got some old books from the the thrift store, and I took the covers off. These I already have, but I can't use them because they're too narrow. Like right here, it's too narrow, so I'm not gonna use those. But these are perfect. This guy right here, I'm just gonna put some of this, wrap it around. And then I have the smaller ones right here that I'm getting ready to stamp. I don't know if I should paint them white or just leave them. I think they look better just left alone. Well, hello there. I tried to vlog when the kids went back to school, and I don't know what happened. But Deborah contacted me on, where is it? Instagram, and she was like, I hope you guys are doing okay. And Deborah is my girl. She's been with me since forever. So I was like, let me start back vlogging for you guys, because it's not fair. You know what I mean? It's not fair. So, good morning. Good morning. I'm just gonna add what I have from the last time I tried to vlog, and then kind of like get you guys up to speed. I am doing my cabinets, painting them. I ran out of foam roller, so I have to go grab some tomorrow. And to be honest, I've been lazy because, you know. So now I'm working on the board and batten in the children's bathroom, and I'm just doing so much. Today I have a list of everything that I need to get done. I have lost 19 pounds. I have lost 19 pounds, and I still have a ton to go. And I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to document the journey on this channel, but I just want to continue. I can't let sad, miserable people ruin my life. You know what I mean? I have accepted what it is. It is what it is. I called the police, and I will continue to call the police if I feel threatened or intimidated. So if you were watching, just know I'm not backing down. So I'm going full steam ahead because it's not acceptable, and I'm not playing no games. If you think this was the girl to play games with, it ain't. So just continue. And if you want a lawsuit too, go right ahead and tell her what to do or encourage her behaviors. If not, then I'm sorry. That's what it is. And trust me, it's not coming out of my pocket because, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to clean the kitchen. I'm going to tell you guys the list. I don't want to walk too much because I'm recording on my phone. I think I'm going to order my battery for my camera because, like I told you guys, Maddie threw my battery in water. So I have to clean the kitchen. I have to clean the master. I have to do laundry. I have to clean Madison's room. I have to call a place. I'm not going to tell you guys where. I have to cook dinner. I have to clean the living room. I have to clean the carpet and bathroom. So let's see how much I get done. So, good morning, guys. So I'm sitting, drinking my coffee, just reflecting And I don't know what to tell you guys. You know, in a way, I want to vlog, but in a way, kind of just want to just like pull into myself and just get far, far away from this place. And the sad part about it all is, say that you don't like me. Say that you think I'm stuck up. Say you think, you know, just say what you think. Just don't tell people that we're garbage and that we're trashy as if you know us. Don't state or try to state facts when you know nothing about us, because it's hurtful. It's very hurtful not knowing you. And I came up in this place wanting to give everybody a chance and to say, okay, people are not all bad. And then I got slapped with this crap, and now I'm just like, people are all bad. You know, there are a lot of bad people in this world, including her. Yeah, I've said mean things that, you know, I don't like her and what I think about, you know, what I've seen from their family. But it's never anything where I'm degrading their family or I'm saying stuff that I don't know to be true. You know, I never went after this girl with the intention of hurting her. But yet still they came after our family as if we did something to them. And everybody has this attitude of, oh, we're the victim and you're the bully. And I'm just like, no. I stood up for my child. And that's it. You know, that's all. You know, and the sucky part about it is that Rob and I fought so hard. And I'm gonna cry. Screw that. Rob and I fought so hard to be all the stereotype. You know, because when we started having kids young, you know, everybody was like, they're not gonna last. You know, she's just gonna be another baby mama. He's gonna get locked up, you know, be on probation, not go see his kids, and, you know, will never amount to anything. "14 years and here we are. I'm not just the baby mama, I'm his wife. He's not locked up in prison or in jail or on probation. No, he worked his ass off every single day. And how dare you? How dare you speak bad about someone you don't even know? Really? He's not a drug dealer. He makes more money. Let me not go ahead and state what I don't know. But he makes money. Enough to send his kids to private school. Enough for me to be driving around in a $50,000 truck. Enough for us to have our own home. Enough for us to still have money to buy food, clothes on their back, life insurance, health insurance, and all the other amenities that goes along with having kids. Cell phones. Have you ever seen anyone pull up at our house? Have you seen him leave out late at night and come back and forth, back and forth? Do you see him walking outside with his pants down to his freaking ankles? Do you see him sprawl out on our front lawn because he's drunk? Do you see him beating me every night? Do you see the cops at our house? Do you see any of that? How dare you? How dare you? How freaking dare you? And people want to think that I'm stirring the pot. I'm not stirring the pot. A friend of mine said to me once, she said, never ever you be the dealer. Life is a deck of cards. Never you be the dealer. Just play the cards. And I'm playing the cards I was dealt. I was dealt a dirty, nasty hand, and I'm playing that. I'm playing that. And now everybody want to run over here and expecting me to apologize and say, oh, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it. Lawsuits and everything are going to be dropped. No, I was dealt a dirty hand, and I'm playing that. You understand me? I'm not a bully. I'm hurt. Yes, I'm hurt. What do you think? I don't have feelings and I don't have emotions and I'm good? I might be tough and all. I might speak my mind. I might say a lot of crap. But underneath all of this, I still have feelings and I still have emotions. And I'm going to let them be known. Can't do that. You cannot do that. You can't walk around and just spread nasty, dirty lies and rumors and expect that people are going to just sit back and say, oh, she's just a stupid white girl and she doesn't know what she's talking about. No, honey. No, you tried the wrong one. You tried the wrong one. And I'm telling you that today. And in the near future, there is no repairing any relationship because I never wanted to be friends with any of y'all. So there's no repairing anything. I could care less. I could care less. So don't look at me and think, oh, we'll never be friends. I never wanted to be friends. Excuse me. Let's get that straight. I never wanted to be anybody's friend. So I don't care if... I don't care. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you for... 1, defamation of character because you don't know anything about my family. You told the lies to several people. Several people. Several neighbors decided not to speak to us because of this lie. I've told the children not to play with our kids. I'm the one isolated on this stupid cul-de-sac. Not you. Not anybody else. I'm the one isolated on this cul-de-sac because of your lies. Because you wanted to hurt us. Great. You've done that. Now it's time for me to hurt you and your family in your pocket. Because I'm going to sue y'all for defamation of character, for slander, for sitting around discussing us. And trust me, I have my way of proving that, and I will not tell you how I'm going to prove that. Just know that you will fight whatever I go to court and say. I didn't want to take it here. I've warned y'all several times. I've apologized to people several times. I try to make the peace. I try to be the bigger person. But nobody wasn't having that. Everybody wanted to sit around and kept on gossiping and talking. Wondering how we send our kids to private school. Wondering how we can afford my truck. None of your business, by the way. You know what I mean? I'm done. At the end of the day, I'm done. Peace out.